Only attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and a yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the hashtag of Dance and Divas and the hashtag Grammy album of the entire dancehall industry buzzing. Everybody and them friend attack. They must say, oh, Vybz Kartel is so confident. Said the album will be the album to give the Grammy award. Well, first and foremost, I'm going to point out this. The Grammy selection process, even to be nominated, is a voting process. And for those who don't know how the award was even brought into existence, first and foremost, the North American National Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences created the Grammy Awards ceremony, formerly known as the Gramophone Awards, to award recording artists for quality works in music and production of music. Now, the best Grammy album was created to celebrate reggae music and its contributors. The first artist to receive this was Black Uhuru. Now I'm going to look on the lineup, viewers and subscribers, and who say this? Vybz Kartel's production credits will play a major role in this win. Yeah, first and foremost, those who don't feel like Vybz Kartel album is Grammy worthy are not supporters of dancehall music, because Vybz Kartel is the leading dancehall artist. Most flow, most lyrics, best songs. So if you don't feel like say his album is Grammy worthy, you basically I said dancehall music is not Grammy worthy. I'm going to everyone going on a reason with you. Now let's point out this. Black Uhuru was the first group or artist to receive the award in 1985. Let's look at the nominees. Jimmy Cliff with the album titled Reggae Nights, Steel Pulse with the album titled Stepping Out, Peter Tosh with the album titled Captured Live, and King Yellowman with the album titled King Yellowman. Now I am saying the only reason why Yellowman was even nominated was because of the production and the producers and engineers who worked on the album alongside King Yellowman. Everybody else were there reggae artists. And when Sean Paul, Shaggy, Beanie and Shabba them did win, remember the producers and engineers who worked on their albums are some big name internationally work on Shabba them album to see me alongside local producers. Same thing for Sean Paul, same thing for Beanie, same thing for Shaggy with Boombastic. Now that has to change though, viewers and subscribers. After this win from Vybz Kartel, this has to change. Well, I want to think Koffee win. I want to feel like say, yo, out of all of the artists them, Koffee was the one that win. Julian Marley was up for it. Sly and Robbie them. Steel Pulse to see me, and Third World. Koffee was signed to a major record label at that point in time. The production, her production, while Sly and Robbie are big name, we know Julian Marley have some big name too. Steel Pulse to Third World have some big name producers who worked on the album. The production and the fact that Koffee was signed to a major label was definitely a determining factor. She had the hottest artist at that point in time, but we do just one song, which was Toast. Now if we look at music currently, the only artist that drop an album and the drop songs where the entire industry seem to talk about, and people like to say, oh, play up on the internet or play up on the radio. One thing for sure, Vybz Kartel music I play up on everything. You can go get it on any platform, and you should do so. The album is available for pre-order, but check it out. But that needs to change, because dancehall music as a whole is a separate entity from reggae music. Think about it. A completely separate entity from reggae music. Notice the style of music. People can dance to anything as long as there's a beat and a rhythm. So people dance to reggae music as well. But what kind of music get the girls them hips to gyrate? It has to be the dancehall sound as opposed to the reggae sound. Reggae is a well-established genre of music and deserving of its category, of course, at the Grammys. I am also saying dancehall music. And if you're going to say because reggae music is a style of music adapted by other cultures around the world, okay, you know you have big reggae stars from Europe and places like that. Dancehall music is the same thing. You have North American artists who do dancehall music, who were born and raised in North America. You have dancehall artists in Europe. You have dancehall artists in Africa. Some of them all claim kingship. You see me? Big up Shatta Wale and Shatta Wale may deal with. But we have people like Wizkid them. Just running all of a sudden and people are trying to compare you. No, must stop listening. Anyway, there's a reason for another time. But even at Trini, big up Swanee them. They have their own version of dancehall music. So if that is the topic, then yes, dancehall is being adapted by other nations as well. Why not a category at the Grammys? Why not a category at the Grammys? When the first Grammy was presented, the only dancehall artist in the lineup was King Yellow. Was King Yellow the only artist who put out an album that year? Or the previous year? You know it have been from the year before. I doubt that. But the production team who worked on King Yellow Man album at that point in time made it fitting to be nominated. Not fitting for the win, but fitting to be nominated. Now the teacher never just say Grammy nomination. He say Grammy win. And I am fully confident that this album is an album production worthy not just of any nomination, but worthy of the win. Yeah, we have artists from dancehall. We have hip hop artists on the album as well. Man featured on the album. The Thugs them did it. The G them did it. The ones them did it. Representation is there. We have the ladies on the album as well. The next generation, the youth them. UTG. All them did it. Skilly Bang. All them did it. This is a well-rounded production. When we talk about artist features, Sika big up yourself. Teacher big up yourself. Family Spark. I have a call name. Lisa. All the Lisas. You know this something go. Mama from, hey, mama, your name there. You know the thing go. Takers. You know the thing go. You're there on the album too. It's a well-rounded production. It's a well-rounded production, viewers and subscribers. You know all the something go. Talk to me though. What are your thoughts? Do you think that dancehall deserves a place at the Grammy? I feel like say reggae for continue be the award where dancehall artists should strive to attain. And I repeat again. Do you think dancehall deserves its own category at the Grammys? Or do you think dancehall artists should still try to put out productions and try to attain the coveted Reggae Grammy Award? The Reggae Grammy Award, while doing a category of music titled as dancehall music. Talk to me. I know what your opinion, what is your reasons for saying your statement. If you just want something in general, something. If you want to big up something, big up something. If you want to big up somebody, big up somebody. If you just want to say big up the teacher, big up the teacher, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, simple maths. You know there's something go vice of the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for leave a like on the vlog in truth. The share icon is in close proximity, so you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, and yes, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions, dear viewers and subscribers. I know what I want. I know if you agree. Are you in agreement? Something I like for now. You know what I mean? Yes, I definitely something I like for now. Because Vybz Kartel production is definitely worthy of the Grammys. The only thing them can say is that it's a reggae award. And Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall. And this is a dancehall fusion album. But it's also fused with reggae as well. Oh, move settings.